friend, I'm on a big bike. Y'all got the baby back, I'm on the big bike. Pull it up in the big bike. Bad friend, I'm on a big bike. Y'all got the baby back, I'm on the big bike. Pull it up in the big bike.
Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I kiss in your eyes.
Hey y'all, thanks for tuning back into my channel. It's your girl Nizzymacllc, and I'm back on the track, girl. I'm looking real eccentric, y'all. Like, I'm really feeling that. Anytime I look like different, I be like feeling myself like, girl, who is that? That's me, girl. Okay, anyways, if you guys are new here, make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Let me know you rocking with your girl on my YouTube journey to the top. And while y'all are down there, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever it is that I post. So let's go ahead and get into this wig, y'all. So this wig was provided to me by NIAWIGS. I don't know if it's NIAWIGS or NIAWIGS, but either way, it's NIAWIGS. And they have been like super popular and trending all over YouTube. And they reached out to me to review one of their headband wigs. Of course, your girl, I couldn't say no, okay? I could not say no because like, this is such an easy slay. It's fast, it's quick, it's cute. Girl. So this is 18 inches, you guys, and this is a Brazilian deep curl. I think it's either Brazilian deep curl or Brazilian kinky curly or something like that, but it's a deep wave curl, you guys, and it's 18 inches. It says that it's in the color natural black, so I don't know if they come, I'm not sure if they come in other colors or not, but this one is in natural black, you guys. And so with this actual headband wig is human hair, y'all. So this is a human hair headband wig. And the way that the human hair ones are made are a little bit more different, and I like it. So what I mean by different, you guys might have remember my synthetic half wig headband thing. Those have like combs in them, and that's it. This one, it has kind of like a wraparound thing that you wrap around your head. So it does have combs in it, don't get me wrong. So you get like 4 combs. You get a comb in the front, 2 in the sides, 1 in the back, and then you do get kind of like this little thing that you can like Velcro. That is so cool because you just put that little Velcro thing, you put the headband directly over that. Like, you don't even have to put anything over that if you don't want to, because it looks like a black headband. But honestly, who doesn't love a little leopard print, okay? So I also want to point out that NIAWIGS also has like different headbands. So when you order this wig, you get to pick like different like sets. So they have like sets of 4, and they're all different kinds. I got the cheetah print one because, girl, cheetah girls, cheetah sisters. I'm a cheetah girl for life. So anyways, this is so cute, you guys. Like, this was an effortless slay. It took me like a few minutes to put it on. I did style it in different ways for you guys, so I want to show you guys how I, you know, styled this unit and did my baby hairs and all that stuff. So I'm going to show you guys how I did all that, slayed and laid this unit. I don't have any cons. The curl pattern was so soft. There's no shedding. Like, what more can you say about this wig? Now, I do want to point out that I have one con with this wig, and that con is in the front there are some shorter hairs. It's almost like, I'm finna get real old school on y'all, but do you know, some of y'all like make wigs and you know that the wefts have to go one side. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you flip the wefts on the other side, it has shorter hairs that stand up, and that's exactly what happened on this one. So it has on the tracks, the track was laid the wrong way on the front part, so it's kind of like that. But that's nothing that a little wax stick couldn't fix. But I'm just letting y'all know my honest opinion on this unit. Other than that, this is a 10 for me, 10 out of 10 for me. Super beginner friendly, super affordable, especially because it's not a lace wig. There's no lace on this wig at all. So this is cheaper for the company to make and cheaper for the consumer to buy. So girl, this unit is very affordable, especially for 18 inches of this beautiful curl pattern. Oh my god, there's so many styles you can do. I only did 3 for y'all. Let me know if y'all want me to do more. But I was just trying to get this video out because girl, I did like 5 wigs today, so your girl is tired. But anyways, yes y'all, I'm feeling this unit. You should be too. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments box. Have you guys tried the headband trend wig? Are you gonna jump on the bandwagon? Let me know your honest thoughts and opinions on headbands, period. So yeah, that's it. And as always, thanks for watching.